Hello, we're here to discuss Chapter 2, Marketing Strategies and a Marketing Plan. First of all, a marketing strategy identifies a firm's target market, a related marketing mix, the 4 Ps, and the basis on which the firm plans to build a competitive advantage. Firms use 4 macro strategies to build their sustainable competitive advantage. Customer excellence focuses on retaining loyal customers and excellent customer service. Therefore, you want to try to keep your customers happy to keep them instead of trying to go out and get new ones. In order to do that, we need a good marketing plan. A marketing plan is composed of an analysis of the current marketing situation, its objectives, the strategy for the 4 Ps, and appropriate financial statements. A marketing plan represents the output of a 3-phase process: planning, implementation, and control. The planning phase requires that managers define the firm's mission and vision and assess the firm's current situation. It helps answer the questions, what business are we in now and what do we intend to be in the future? In the second phase, implementation, the firm specifies in more operational terms how it plans to implement its mission and vision. Specifically, to which customer groups does it wish to direct its marketing efforts, and how does it use its marketing mix to provide good value? And finally, in the control phase, the firm must evaluate its performance using appropriate metrics to determine what worked. So you want to see who your target audience is. Like AARP, for example, targets the generation named baby boomers in their 60s. So they go through a marketing plan to determine who they're trying to get their message across to. You analyze a marketing situation using a SWOT analysis: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. A SWOT analysis occurs during the second step in the strategic planning process, the situation analysis. By analyzing what the firm is good at, its strengths, where it could improve, its weaknesses, where in the marketplace it might excel, its opportunities, and what is happening in the marketplace that could harm the firm, its threats, managers can assess their firm's situation accurately and plan its strategy accordingly. Once a firm identifies different marketing opportunities, it must determine which are the best to pursue. To accomplish this task, marketers go through a segmentation, targeting, and positioning process. First, segment various markets by dividing the total market into those groups of customers with different needs, wants, or characteristics who might appreciate products or services geared especially toward them. After identifying the different segments, the firm goes after or targets certain groups on the basis of the firm's perceived ability to satisfy the needs of those groups better than competitors, and to do so profitably. To complete this process, firms position their products or services according to the marketing mix variables so that target customers have a clear, distinctive, and desirable understanding of what the product or service does or represents relative to competing products or services. The marketing mix consists of the 4 Ps: product, price, promotion, and place, and each P contributes to customer value. To provide value, the firm must offer a mix of products and services at prices their target markets will view as indicating good value. Thus, firms must make trade-offs between the first 2 Ps, product and price, to give customers the best value. The third P, promotion, informs customers and helps them form a positive image about the firm and its products and services. The last P, place, adds value by getting the appropriate products and services to customers when they want them and in the quantities that they need. Portfolio analysis is a management tool used to evaluate the firm's various products and businesses. its portfolio and allocate resources according to which products are expected to be the most profitable for the firm in the future. Firms use 4 basic growth strategies: market penetration, market development, product development, and diversification. A market penetration strategy directs the firm's efforts toward existing customers and uses the present marketing mix. In other words, it attempts to get current customers to buy more. In a market development strategy, the firm uses its current marketing mix to appeal to new market segments, as might occur in international expansion. A product development growth strategy involves offering new product or service to the firm's current target market. Finally, a diversification strategy takes place when a firm introduces a new product or service to a new customer segment. Sometimes a diversification strategy relates to the firm's current business, such as when a women's clothing manufacturer starts making and selling men's clothing, but a riskier strategy is when it diversifies into a completely unrelated business, which some firms do.